Ayoko tayo. Wow! Yun, no? Dandaan ka. Yun, no? Yun! Malalim dito eh, no? Ooh. Wow.
Ito na yung pangalawang lagoon.
Ito na yung pangalawang lagoon. Ganda. Tendubs. Second lagoon, Twin Lagoon kung tawagin sa Palawan. Twin Lagoon.
I see small fish. That's paracoda.
Sorry?
I see small fish.
Where?
Here. That's paracoda. No?
No, Barracuda.
Barracuda here. It's not too much fish here because this one is will be the lagoon. So you can see too much fish our port destination. But here we do not fish here.
Nakakakita doon. Meron daw maliliit na isda.
So that's normal fish. Yeah. Oh. We can exploring. Yeah.
Okay na, pahinga tayo.
Nakakawag sila?
Higa uli. Hello, sir. Ooh. Wow. Ganda. May mga talaba eh, no? Ganda ng lugar, oh.